unwind and dance. The joyful meaning of kick up your heels. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the stories and meanings behind everyday phrases. Today, we're going to explore a fun and lively expression, kick up your heels. Stay tuned as we unravel what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations to add a little sparkle and joy. When someone says they're going to kick up their heels, they're not just talking about a physical action. This phrase is actually a metaphorical way of saying that they're going to let loose, enjoy themselves, and have a good time, often by dancing or engaging in some form of fun and relaxation. It evokes images of carefree joy and abandoning worries for a moment of happiness. The saying, kick up your heels, has its roots in the physical act of literally kicking one's heels together in the air, often seen in traditional dances or as a gesture of excitement and celebration. This visual gives us a clue about the phrase's origins, which date back to times when dance and movement were primary forms of expression and celebration. Over time, kicking up your heels transcended its literal meaning to become a popular idiomatic expression, symbolizing the act of shedding inhibitions and reveling in the moment. Using kick up your heels in conversation is a great way to convey a sense of fun and liberation. Here are a few examples to show how it can be seamlessly integrated into your daily language. After finishing a big project, I just submitted my final piece for the project. It's time to kick up my heels and enjoy the weekend. Planning a celebration. Now that we've all gotten our promotions, let's kick up our heels and celebrate tonight. Encouraging someone to relax. You've been working so hard lately. This weekend, you should kick up your heels and take a break. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to express the idea of breaking free from stress or routine and indulging in some well-deserved leisure or enjoyment. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, kick up your heels, and are feeling inspired to incorporate it into your conversations. It's a wonderful reminder that life is not just about work and obligations, but also about moments of joy, celebration, and letting go. Don't forget to kick up your heels every once in a while and enjoy the beautiful moments life has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. See you in the next video.